Strengthening India-Europe engagement. The visits to Portugal and Slovakia signify India's commitment to bolstering its diplomatic ties with Europe. 50th Anniversary, India-Portugal. The Portugal visit coincides with the 50th anniversary of India-Portugal diplomatic relations, highlighting the historical significance. Growing bilateral trade. Trade between India and Portugal is growing steadily, currently at $1.5 billion. Migration and Mobility Agreement. Portugal was the first European nation to sign a migration and mobility agreement with India, easing work visas. 30th Anniversary, India-Slovakia. The Slovakia visit marks the 30th anniversary of the Indian Embassy in Bratislava, emphasizing sustained diplomatic engagement. Support during Ukraine crisis. India appreciates Slovakia's assistance in evacuating Indian students from Ukraine in 2022. Focus areas. Discussions centered on strengthening bilateral ties in technology, renewable energy, and diaspora engagement, especially in Portugal, with 85,000 plus citizens. Agreements with Portugal. MoUs were signed on green hydrogen, marine conservation, and a mobility pact. Defense cooperation with Slovakia. Talks involved joint production of anti-drone systems and leveraging Slovakia's EU membership for India's FTA negotiations. City Key of Honor. The President received the City Key of Honor of Lisbon, highlighting the city's openness and technological advancements where cooperation can be built. Cultural ties. The President acknowledged the centuries-old cultural ties between India and Portugal visible in architecture, historical sites, languages, and cuisines. Portugal as a partner. India sees Portugal as a partner in harnessing its strengths as a knowledge-based economy. Portugal's EU role. The President appreciated Portugal's role in promoting India's relations with the European Union, especially its role in hosting India-EU summits.